Hello friends, welcome to my channel, My Creations, My Solution with Anamika Tyagi. Let's start the video. As this is the third part of the previous video of the topic circle. Through this video you will be able to draw circle, also will understand the use of compass. So please watch the video till the end. Here the question is, with the help of compass construct a circle whose radius is 6 cm. To draw this circle we need a compass, small pencil with this sharp, proper sharp pencil and one ruler. What to do? We need to loose the screw and put the pencil equal to the nail of the compass. Okay, then tight your pencil properly. Open the face of the compass and measure 6 cm as the radius given of the question. See, I will put the nail here to measure the 6 cm. 0 to 6. That is not 6, so we will close the face of the compass. Now it is proper measured. You can see this. Okay, if you are not able to do like this, you can put the scale, draw the line of 6 cm, then you will measure this. Okay, now we are going to draw the circle. Look it properly. Put the pencil, this compass properly in the center like this, and we will draw. You can use another hand also so that you can see properly how to draw. This is my circle done. Okay. Now from where I have started, the center point, dark with the pencil. You can see this circle. Now what to do? We will use the ruler from the center area to draw the radius. This is my radius of 6 cm. Name it OA. You can name anything. I have written OA. Now what to do? I will write here in the last also OA radius equal to 6 cm. Understand? Like this. Another measure also, you can do the measurement through the ruler and this compass to draw another circle. Let's do the another one. So here we have another question. With the help of compass construct a circle whose radius is 4 cm 6 mm. 4 cm 6 mm. How to measure this? This is also very easy. We will take first of all till 4 cm and a small line till 6. Okay, the small lines you have to count, which is the millimeter, and on the number exactly, that is a centimeter. So we will do like that same way. Here, that is my 4.6 centimeter. Now draw as it is. Put in the place properly. It not should be loose. Draw the circle. This is my circle. See the center area. We will dark it and give the name as O. Use your ruler. This is a radius and you can give O, X, name, anything. Okay. Now write down OX line segment which is the radius of the circle, and the measure is 4 cm 6 mm. Clear? Here the next question is, draw a circle of radius 3.8 cm. So first of all we will measure this compass till this 3.8 cm. In this circle construct a chord of length 4.2 cm. Let's see. This is my ruler and we will measure this from here to 3.8. It means 3 and after that 8 small lines. Okay? Now do the same way. Draw the circle. I hope you all have understood how to draw the circle. This is my circle. Look at this. Now put the center area properly. And we need to show the radius first of all of 3.8 cm. So we will draw this line segment of 3.8 cm. That can be any of name. So I will write OA is a radius. Okay, so I will write here also OA radius 3.8 cm. Clear? Now chord we have to draw of 4.2 cm. Put the scale on the circle. That your scale should be on this area to another area of the circle. Okay, it should be touch. Now measure from the 0. Properly 0 line should be on the circle line. 4.2. Let it go till 4 and the small point till 2. Look at this. This is the correct measurement. Now use your pencil to draw the line. You can draw anywhere. It is not compulsory to draw here. You can draw here or anywhere. Okay? Now that is my chord of 4.2 cm XY. XY line segment, which is the chord of the circle, and that is of 4.2 cm. It is also important to write here. Okay? Now the next question is, draw two concentric circles of radii 4.5 cm and 5.2 cm. Said the ring formed. What is concentric circle? Concentric circle are the two circles which can be drawn from the same center point. Let's do that. First of all, we will do the 4.5 cm. So first of all, I will measure my compass till 4.5 cm. Look at this. This is the measure of 4.5 cm. Now draw the circle first of all of the measure of 4.5 cm. Okay. Now we will use till 5.2 cm. Again measure the compass till 5.2 cm. This is 5.2. Now do this from same center point. And draw the circle. What happens? It will frame a ring outside of the circle. Look at this. Is a ring which is asked in the question that if two circle we will make it like this, so it form a circle ring. Now draw the radius first of all. This is a 4.5 cm of, and another one of 5.2 cm. Okay, give the name O P Q. OP radius is equal to 4.2 cm and OQ radius is equal to 5.2 centimeter. This is the measurement. Now what happens? The question asks, shade the ring formed. We can shade any way which we like, okay? So I'm doing like this. The way you like, you can shade. See, I like this way, so I'm doing this way. Which way you like, you can shade it. I hope this video will help you to understand the topic. If you like the video, please press the like button and also share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel so you will get the notification of my new videos. Thank you.